Rochelle Maize, and I'm going to show you 460 Palm. Welcome. You have just under 3,000 square feet of lush living space, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a very open floor plan. Kitchen has all Miele appliances. Another very unique feature of our property is the very private patio, which is over 2,000 square feet of living space outdoors, which is very hard to find in a condo. The master bedroom is substantial in size. So one of the unique features of 460 Palm is a private entrance direct down to your parking. There's not 1, not 2, but 3 side-by-side parking spots for this unit, and you have direct access through your own foyer to the elevator. Come take a look. It's very special, secure, and private. All you do is go down here, wait for the elevator, and go directly down to your car. It's a beautiful situation.